Hi everyone, I'm going to show you unboxing of the Ultimate Hacking Keyboard. So this is the palm rest. Okay, so they sent it to me free and for my review. And this is the keyboard. So I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna put that away and open this. So Craft Supply Ultimate Hacking Keyboard. Okay, the nice thing about it is that they have this new technology. They have this new technology, this trackball and trackpad, trackball and thumb pointer. So, but you have to buy them extra, and they attach like that. You know, that's very nice. It's not out yet, so you have to wait. Okay, so let's see. Let me open that. Okay, so you have to peel this off. Actually, I don't think you have to. It should just slide open. Does it slide? Yes. It looks like that. It's just the cover. Okay, so now I don't want to tear it apart because because this looks like a nice box. Oh, okay, there it is. Ta-da! Cover. I'm trying to see how much does it weigh. Okay, there's this box, which is wire. That's very nice. Okay, that's the wire with looks like a mini phone jack, like super mini phone jack. Screws, a bunch of screws, tiny screws. And this is like attachments, like attached to the box or something. So that's the wire in between. And this is the USB wire. Okay, so one side is standard USB. The other side is mini USB. I think that's mini USB. So the keyboard itself, okay, it's very nice. It's very solid and compact. It's not too heavy and it's not super light. Some keyboard is super light. This is, I would say, average, half a pound maybe. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is great. What are you doing today? I am doing a keyboard testing. Very nice. They come in. These are mechanical keys. They come in several choices. Like you can. I think you can choose from Cherry MX red or blue or brown and black. I think all those are available, and I pick red because I want red. Red is linear, like the least resistance in linear. Red and black are both linear. Black is stronger resistance, and brown is tactile. Like you can feel a bump. Red, there's no bump. And blue is tactile, but also with the audible click, like click, click, click. It's the loudest. But okay, so this is red heavy. It feels very compact. It's very big, well built. So this is the front, and this is the back. I'm gonna, yeah, why don't I plug it in? And actually, I'm gonna do more, you know, typing and trying it out. And I probably will do another video review. But for now, let's just plug in. And I'm also going to take it apart because it can split into two. So I'm just gonna plug it in right here without reading any manuals. But hold on a second. I want to see if I can, you know, just take this apart right now. Actually, I better read manuals because I don't want to break it. So, but I can probably just plug it in though. Wait, where is he? Okay, it does not go there and does not go there. So yeah, it goes somewhere else. Obviously, this two goes here. So this I can. Click. Click. Okay, but there's no more holes on the outside, so it must be. Oh, there it is. It's right here. You see? It's there. So let's just do that. So you can see here. I want to make sure. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, it's in. It's actually a bit hard. See? Actually, my Mac just popped up a you know, telling me that a new keyboard is there. So now it's working. Oh, it's light. Over. Let's see if I can actually type. Go to my Emacs. Okay. Okay, what? Show. Now, let me open text editor. So because I'm using Vorax, so I want to make sure. I don't know if it's Vorax or QWERTY. Oh, so this is right now it's QWERTY, and let's switch to Vorax. There it is, AEOU. Okay, so this is unboxing, and I'm gonna play with it, and I'm gonna show you what are the features and how to take it apart. See you soon.